to your Ading. Ading.
Milk.
Louder. She can't hear you. Ading.
Milk.
Can I drink
Drink.
your milk?
Milk.
Put your ears in my womb. What Ading told you? What Ading told you? What Ading told you? Talk Ading. Talk Ading. Ading.
There.
What she said? What she said? What she said?
Asha. I'm getting this.
Yeah, Ading said that you are allowed to drink your draw. You're allowed to drink milk.
I use this. Papa was there. Mom is there. Birthday to you there.
Happy birthday to you there inside my womb.
Da.
You done?
Da.
What Ading told you?
I need a horse right there. Horse.
You done?
Right there. Oh, baby.
Don't do like that. Don't do like that to Ading. Talk to Ading if she will let you to drink milk. Talk to Ading if she... No, not like that. Huh?
Bubble.
Bobo. Talk mo ka Ading. Talk. Hi.
Okay, so inside the house, you have to put that. Outside, you remove it.